Good morning, dear kids. Today we're going to start this topic about electricity, but before we get started, I just want to make sure the following recommendations. Please be at home at all times, wash your hands, do your homework, and help your mom with the chores. That is very important. Okay, let's get started. Electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles such as electrons and protons, either statically as an accumulation of charge and dynamically as a current. Example of conductors of electricity, okay? Remember that many materials can conduct electricity and some others cannot conduct electricity. Which are the ones that can conduct electricity? Well, we have copper, silver, gold, to name a few, because there are so many metals that can conduct electricity. And we have examples of poor conductors of electricity: wood, cotton, and insulator, as well as plastic, okay? When you put plastic to the current of electricity, it cannot be transmitted because it is not a conductor. And copper and all of the metals are conductor of electricity. So please, when you see any wire made of these metals, please keep away from those. So, where does it come from? Matter is made up of atoms, and atoms are made up of smaller particles. There are three important particles making up an atom. Remember that we studied this before: proton, neutron, and electron. Electrons have a negative charge, and protons have a positive charge. As we can see here, this is an atom, this is the nucleus, and the electrons. Remember that we studied this in the previous worksheets. Okay, scientists found ways to move electrons off of atoms. That means that when you add up the electrons and protons, you would wind up with one more proton instead of being balanced. Okay, when we have more protons than electrons, we have electricity. Okay, now we have electrical appliances. These are the usage that electricity has in our homes, in our daily life. We use electricity when we vacuum the floor, when we turn on the lamp, when we turn on the fan, when we charge our phones, when we charge our computers. We use it every day. All of the above appliances that you find at home require electricity to function. The blender, the microwave, the fridge, the washing machine, everything that is electric in our house requires electricity for them to run. Okay, in this picture we can see Benjamin Franklin. He was president of the United States and he discovered electricity. As you can see here, he's flying a kite, and in the cord of the kite, one metal key is attached, because as you know, metals are conductors. Since he made this discovery, many people and researchers started to study this type of force. And thanks to them, now we have electricity in our house for turning on the computer, for doing our housework, and everything that we do in the house with electricity. Thanks for watching this video. There's going to be an additional link for Google Forms for the quiz and one game on this. Please be home, be safe. I miss you all, and see you on the next video. Take care.